Hello guys, this is Kathy. Nice to meet you. Here is a brief introduction to myself. With 4 years experience on LED lighting and stage design, I have run commentary on about 20 venues apply LED lighting. For example, Shenzhen, Tencent, Wechat News Conference, Guangdong Radio and Television Station. Running commentary inspires me a lot for my lighting solution design and helps me better understand the pain points of my clients. Secondly, I have taken part in about 19 lighting exhibitions like Get a Show Guangzhou, Pro Light and Sound Philippines, Pro Light and Sound Dubai. Taking part in lighting exhibitions let me know more about the latest lighting technology and help me achieve more friendship with my clients through face-to-face communication. Lastly, I have recorded about 30 promotional videos for LED lighting, so I know more clearly about how to install, how to control the LED lighting. At this moment, you might ask, so why choose me to be your partner? Here are my 3 points. First, I'm able to provide lighting solution based on your real situation. Second, I can always act fast and to your point. Lastly, as a ISO certificated team, we are able to provide technical support and keep developing new products to add creativity for your project. If you want to know more about me, please visit my Facebook and website. Thank you for visiting my video. See you next time. Goodbye.